Well, good Thursday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here, and we are on our way to more heat and humidity today. But I want to take a look back at yesterday's high temperatures. We broke a record in Valentine yesterday, 112 degrees. The old record was 108, set back in 1934, and we all know those records back in the 30s. Very tough to break. It was so dry and hot for so much of the summertime back in the 1930s, and so a lot of hot air. But it wasn't just Valentine. 107 in Ainsworth, Thedford, McCook, 106 in North Platte, 108 in Chadron. Looking at this map, it's just a sign of how much of a difference moisture in the atmosphere plays in your temperatures. Air with a lot of moisture, high humidity, a lot tougher to warm up than dry air that we saw out west. The dew point in Valentine dropped back into the 40s yesterday. Meanwhile, from about the Tri-Cities eastward, we had dew points in the 70s. And so while, yes, it wasn't as hot outside actual air temperature-wise, because of that high humidity, it felt just as hot. We had a heat index at one point in Kearney at 113 yesterday. So just kind of showing you how things play out when it comes to humidity versus very low humidity out towards the west, and how it can impact temperatures on a hot day like yesterday. And we're going to have more heat and humidity the next couple of days. Now, there is going to be a cool down up north today, but a heat advisory continues for most of these orange shaded counties, not just this afternoon, this evening, but also tomorrow afternoon and evening. Heat indices 100 to 110 degrees. Excessive heat warning southeast through Friday evening for most of those spots, through Saturday evening in northeast Kansas. Heat indices could be as high as 105 to 115 at their peak during the afternoon and early evening hours. We had some showers and some thunderstorms overnight last night in northern Nebraska. Those will kind of fade away before too long here. A few extra debris clouds out there as well, but a little more sunshine as you get farther to the south. Late in the afternoon into the evening hours, we could see more showers and thunderstorms develop. Maybe this time a smidge farther south than yesterday, so instead of just far northern Nebraska, they could be as far south as places like Broken Bow, Ord, Albion. So there's a small chance of some severe weather out there for today and into the overnight hours tonight. As we get towards tomorrow morning, then much of that activity will start to clear out, but a cool front will start to approach tomorrow. And that said, still going to be hot ahead of that frontal boundary, but then late in the day and into tomorrow night, showers and thunderstorms will once again be possible, and this time maybe even a little farther south yet as that front makes its way into the area. And those chances will continue into our Saturday and Saturday night as that front continues to slowly slip to the south and to the southeast. So today's risk is a marginal risk. Again, not a lot of severe weather, but some is possible. But again, notice this is a little farther south, or at least extends a little farther south than yesterday's threat of severe thunderstorms. And then by Friday, it slips even a little bit farther south, even including the Tri-Cities and Lincoln under that marginal risk of severe thunderstorms, with Saturday's chance a little farther south yet, the southern half of Nebraska and northern Kansas, as that cool front continues to slowly budge its way towards the south and the southeast. Again, all 3 days, I'm not expecting widespread significant severe weather, but there will certainly be chances of it in the coming days ahead. Highs for today, a noticeable cool down up north. Ainsworth 88, 90, and O'Neill mid-90s a little farther south. Slight chance of thunderstorms again later on today. Out to the west here, mostly sunny. Mid to upper 90s, triple digits around Beaver City, McCook at 104. Could see some triple digits in northern Kansas. Mid to upper 90s around the Tri-Cities area, but again, factor in that humidity, it'll feel a whole lot hotter out there today. And then off towards the east, we're looking at mid to upper 90s and even lower 100s in far southern Nebraska and northern Kansas. Next 7 days. Tomorrow may be the hottest day for the Tri-Cities. We have a chance of maybe hitting triple digits, and then the cool down begins heading into the weekend. Again, chances of showers and thunderstorms Friday night through Saturday night. And as we get towards early next week, then Sunday through Tuesday, that's temperatures a little closer to average for this time of the year, in the upper 80s. Lows back down into the 60s, so that will certainly be welcome to see after those lows have been so warm during the overnight hours. And then back to 91 on Wednesday. I did throw in a slight chance of showers and storms Wednesday. Now, that Sunday through Tuesday time frame, even though I don't have any official rain chances in the forecast there are certainly chances we may see very isolated activity here and there. Some models kind of hint at it Sunday through Tuesday. That said, I'm just not confident in where exactly those chances would be at this point here. So I'll mention that there is that chance out there. That said, we have a few days to figure that out. So as we get a little bit closer, I'll throw in those chances if I gain a little bit more confidence in that part of the forecast. So there you go. Again, more heat, humidity the next couple of days. We'll see if we can see more of those incredible hot temperatures. I don't think that'll be the case today, although that heat index will be high, so be careful out there this afternoon with all this heat and this humidity. So until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a great Thursday, and God bless.